a minister of the Goa cabinet, saying in the State Assembly today that Prime Minister Narendra Modi would develop India into a Hindu nation. The State Cooperation Minister Deepak Dhavlikar, who made that controversial statement, is the brother of Sudhin Dhavlikar, another minister in Chief Minister Manohar Parikar's cabinet, who had triggered a row when he demanded a ban on wearing bikinis on Goa's beaches. Tejas joining us for more on that. Tejas, a lot of questions are being raised now over whether the BJP will in fact come out and condemn some of these rather loose remarks being made by their leaders, whether it was over Sania Mirza or now in this case. But clearly when it comes to the Dhavlikars, it's something that runs in the family.
Well, difficult to say that, but yes, two controversial comments made in Goa in a very short period of time. First, as you mentioned, the elder brother Sudhin Dhavlikar saying ban bikinis, ban pubs because this is not part of Indian culture. And now you have his brother Deepak Dhavlikar, both of them who of course are from the Maharashtravadi Gomantak party, an ally of the BJP now. Earlier it was with Congress and the NCP government, but now with the BJP, and now he is saying that, you know, under Modi, India could become into a Hindu Rashtra if we gave cooperation. Now, of course, a huge embarrassment for Manohar Parrikar, given the fact that, you know, this goes completely against what the BJP has been, and especially Mr. Modi have been saying right throughout the campaign of inclusivity, of taking everyone along. This goes right completely against that. So this would be a major embarrassment, and it's a case of all allies really shooting their mouth off. First you had, you know, in the Shiv Sena itself, you know, with that episode at the Maharashtra Southern, you know, shoving a roti into the mouth of a staffer who was of course, you know, doing his roza. And then what we saw in Telangana, where another BJP leader at that point of time talking about, you know, Sania Mirza being the daughter-in-law of Pakistan and not really India. So perhaps a very small issue, but very, very embarrassing for the party, and of course in this particular case for the Goa government and Manohar Parrikar in particular. Ankita?